Hello everyone, I'm Safa Askevalisa together with my group members Shasha Kuloto Aini and Fauza Masifa. We are going to present our poster entitled Beyond the Screen, the Hidden Challenge of Online Learning on Student Focus, Interactions and Motivation. In this presentation, we will talk about some common challenges that students face during online learning, especially difficulties in staying focused, interacting with others, and maintaining learning motivation. We will also discuss the cause of this challenge and the factors that contribute to them. We hope this presentation helps you better understand the experience and difficulties that many students encounter in online learning. So, let's get started.
The first is introduction. Online learning in the sociology education program offers flexibility in accessing learning materials and managing study time. However, this system also creates challenge, including discredited focus, limited interaction, and unstable learning motivation. These issues became more apparent during the COVID-19 pandemic. Since sociology learning emphasizes discussion and social interaction, online learning can influence students' participation and the quality of learning outcomes. The next is problem analysis. Causes. First, learning is often lecture-centered, making students less active. The second is long screen time, causes fatigue and reduced concentration. The third, internet connection problems disrupt learning activities. The fourth, home or boarding environments are not always conducive to study. And the last, limited face-to-face interaction reduce discussion quality. Contributing factors. The first is teaching methods are often repetitive and less interactive. The second, learning media are not always varied or engaging. The third is students may struggle with time management and self-discipline. The fourth, social media and smartphone use can distract attention. And the last is academic workloads sometimes feel excessive.
Now, let's talk about the impacts of online learning. First, the educational impact. Sometimes online learning makes it more difficult for students to fully understand the materials. Students may also participate less in discussions, which can affect their critical thinking and learning process. Second, the social impact. Because students interact mostly through online platforms, communications with classmates becomes less frequent. Group discussion and collaborative activities are also reduced, making social interaction less effective. Third, the economic impact. Online learning requires internet access, which means students often have to spend more money on data or Wi-Fi. In addition, not every student has the same access to devices such as laptops or smartphones. Finally, the environmental impact. Online learning increases the use of electronic devices, which leads to higher electricity consumptions. Even though paper use decreases, electronic waste can still become an environmental issue. Overall, online learning has impacts not only on education, but also on students' social life, finance, and the environmental.
To make sociology learning more effective, lecturers can combine online face-to-face learning to blended learning. Small group discussions should be encouraged so students have more opportunities to share ideas and express their opinions. Learning can also be linked to real social issues through project-based activity, making the material feel more relevant to student daily life. In addition, learning materials should be simplified to reduce screen fatigue. While digital literacy among both lecturers and students need to be important. Interactive platforms such as Padlet and Mentimeter can help create a more engaging learning atmosphere. Regular feedback is also important. The learning challenge can be individuated and addressed more quickly. For the conclusion, online learning offers flexibility and convenience, but it also brings challenges such as decreased focus, limited interaction, and lower learning motivation. This issue often arises because communication is less direct and learning activity tend to be passive. Therefore, a combination of blended learning, interactive discussion, and student-centered learning strategies is needed to improve the quality of sociology education. By creating a more active, collaboration, and supportive learning environment, students can become more engaged and achieve better learning outcomes.